Everlast composite siding with stainless steel strapping is hands down one of the coolest ways to upgrade your home's exterior without dealing with constant upkeep or ugly wear and tear. So, to get this right, first off, make sure your wall surface is clean and flat because uneven walls can mess up the siding installation big time. You want to use stainless steel strapping that's corrosion resistant to keep everything tight and long lasting. Trust me, cheap metal strapping will just rust and cause headaches later. When nailing the siding panels, don't go too crazy with the nails. You want them snug, but still letting the panels expand and contract with temperature changes, or else you'll get warping or cracking. Overlap each siding panel properly so water doesn't sneak behind and cause rot or mold. That's a classic rookie mistake. Use a level often to make sure your panels stay straight because crooked siding looks sloppy and can cause problems down the road. Also, seal all edges well with a high-quality weatherproof sealant to keep moisture out, especially around windows and doors. Don't forget to wear gloves when handling the stainless steel strapping, since it can be sharp and a pain if you cut yourself. Lastly, take your time measuring everything twice before cutting so you don't waste material or end up with gaps. One of the biggest mistakes people make with Everlast composite siding installation is not securing the stainless steel strapping properly, which leads to loose panels that shift in wind or weather. Fix this by making sure every strap is tight and anchored solidly to the wall studs. Another common issue is using regular nails instead of stainless steel fasteners, causing rust stains and premature failure. Always go for stainless steel nails or screws that match the strapping. A third problem is poor panel alignment, which makes the whole job look unprofessional and can let water get in. Check your level at every step and adjust as needed to keep everything straight. BigHomeProjects.com is a lifesaver for homeowners wanting Everlast composite siding because it connects you with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle this kind of job. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to find real work from people who need pros for their home upgrades.